Hi everyone, good morning. It is Thursday. I was planning to just do mukbang vlog on weekends, but whenever I have the chance, I'll just vlog. So today is a beautiful day. Chicago has been pretty warm, but it is definitely getting a little bit, very little bit cooler. I think it's in like mid 70s. But right now I'm trying to figure out where I want to go for lunch. Tong is actually off work and he's with his brother right now, and we're gonna meet up to grab lunch. 아, 처음 보는데?
어?
처음 보는데? 와, 나 진짜 보고 싶어 이거.
감사합니다. 네. 와우, 진생 테이스트. 야, 소금하고 간쳐야 돼. 파나. I like that.
This Dr. T looks amazing. Yes, if you make Dr. T next time, can you let me know?
Yeah.
Dom always tells me how good it is, and I'm just like,
Yeah.
that's my favorite. Shincha is my favorite.
It's
Dr.
so
T
good.
is my favorite. Like, I eat that, I would choose that over any kind of palm. Yeah. He's like more himself, like that. He won't. He just stays in the.
Did Henry went missing because he ran away? You wouldn't think that, but
진짜 맛있네.
It's really good. You know, like, I understand, like,
oh yeah, if you're not kind of responsible for it.
my grievance for Cooper, neither be money is
Hey guys, so bright outside. I just had a great meal. I'm actually just walking to Mariano's by myself just to get like ice cream and coffee for everybody. Decided to really kind of want to go by myself, take a walk right here. Ta-da! Good morning everyone. So I'm starting my day off with some tteokbokki. I'm so excited. I added extra curry powder and pepper flakes. And lots and lots of sliced mozzarella cheese. Basically, this room is becoming my editing room, film room, and just my room, basically. It's good. I added green onions, kind of like similar cut as the rice cakes, like this.
So can we come in?
fish cake.
Angela, would you like some of my beet salad?
I hate beet salad.
It's actually really good. Hey. I know you love beet salad. I've seen you eat it.
I really want fish cake soup now. I haven't had it in a while. I feel like this area is like my sanctuary right now. I feel so enclosed and safe. Private.
I don't know. But if she was going to voice Michael's doing her love.
So, how do you guys know each other?
I'm just a babysitter. And now you guys are dating?
Roy Colonel, that's all you need to know. Why don't you write down your email, because I have just so many questions.
Email?
Oh my god, this green onion tastes so good.
Hey, everybody enjoying their meal?
Hey Dave,
Yeah.
how about we take the beer sign down until our guests leave and then we can discuss it?
Okay.
Artist.
BRC, I'm a screenwriter.
And I...
A couple of friends having an awesome dinner party. My neighbors say they heard some shit. You want to press charges? She's getting in trouble. Yeah, she's in charge. Listen, I'm supposed to park half a mile away. I lost a penny
My dumplings
out
are
of my
ready.
loafers. What the hell?
I'm actually going to mix 2 sauces, mayo and fire sauce, for my
Michael
dumplings.
started the process of selecting.
Professional, and yet you know there is a side of her that can just develop on the couch. I think what I meant was that I completely switched. What is it like to be single? I like it. I like starting each day with a sense of possibility. And desperate situations yield the quickest results. Ladies and gentlemen.
I got this, I've been really into brown sugar milk tea.
Which I don't understand.
Why? It's so good. Everyone's like, it just tastes like really sweet milk. No, there's more to it.
That's what you were saying, but you don't even know.
It does, but very like creamy, like cream cheese, kind of like a cheesecake-ish. 맛있지 않아?
It's literally milk with brown sugar.
I think they put like cream cheese powder. Oh my god, so good. Dude, people are not paying attention to the road today.
I really thought it's gonna happen. Hey. So currently it is 11:30 on a Friday night. Tong and I decided to come to this hot dog stand, super popular in Chicago. So he's picking some up and then we're gonna head back. Oh, the smell's been killing me. With lime.
Remember when we went snowboarding? Like when you were just teaching me? And then we stopped by the Burger King.
Yeah.
There's a freaking one Burger King when we exit the ski resort. That one, it's like so convenient to just stop by.
It's made. I'm pretty sure they survived because of that.
I got a chicken sandwich. Yum.
It's good.
Oh, I like it.
I've never met anybody that gets chicken from there.
Their fish sandwich is good, but that's something you have to literally eat the moment they give it to you.
Oh, that yeah.
If not, it gets so stale and just. I like it. It's very like chicken breast, I think. Well, for everything in here? Nice.
Put onion, cheese, and
I think I'm just really sick of fish. Not the fried fish.
yeah. Sir?
It's very... You know how chicken breast is like dry? I like it.
Because of the mustard and onion and all that.
I love you. I like watching my old videos when we were at the different apartment because since I was filming on the ground, I see Ame a lot. Like on the bed, he's just like sniffing stuff. 마요랑 so good.
Good morning. Hi. So we are watching my brother-in-law's puppies. His name is Cooper, and we are actually on our way to our friend's house as we have planned, but we decided to take both of them.
거나 동네 애들을 잘 굴렸고 나머지 한 녀석은 바로 그 자루를 던 쪼매난 녀석들이 엄청 귀여웠어.